I'm Harvey West. I'm a research associate professor here in the Edward P. Fitts Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering. We're in the Center for Additive Manufacturing and Logistics. This is our materials characterization and testing lab. I'm going to show you what we have. We have two machines for testing furniture. This is going to do a back pull on that chair. This one is a seating impact test where you're repetitively dropping 125 pounds into it. Now we're in my materials characterization lab. This machine uses laser diffraction to determine the particle size of metal powders that we use in the additive manufacturing processes. And this is a fatigue testing machine. Right now, this is being loaded to 5,000 pounds 10 times per second to test the fatigue life of the sample. So that's our lab. If you want any more information about what we do here, just send me an email and we'll get right back with you. All right?